Hey everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate. Today I have for you my Steampunk Alice in Wonderland. This was a kit from SS Digital Studios. I have been asked to create this as a design team project. So she measures 7¼ by 5½. She has 2 signatures, and there's 10 pages in each, making a total of 40 pages inside. I only use pages from the kits for this. I didn't add any coffee dyed or any other paper to this. It was a beautiful kit and just very easy to use. So, oh, I didn't measure the spine. Let's see what we got here. And about 1½ inch spine we've got on this also. So for the cover, I used some red and white striped fabric. I have a piece of red card back here that I punched the corners on. Got a little lace behind one of the cards that was in the kit, and I put a fingerprint on my looking glass there. This is just a mirror. I went around it with black embossing powder, and this is just a part of a craft stick that I cut down and put embossing powder on that as well. And now I've got her closed up with the red ribbon here. So let's get going. Make sure I got everything in there. Yep, looks good. And the front cover, I have a little envelope flip here, and there's a picture from one of the pages in the kit. And over on this side I have 2 tags. I have a belly band here covering up my envelope, and another envelope here says open me, and inside is a journaling card, adventures. And I put this little paper clip on here just to keep my envelope from flipping flopping all over the place. Here's first page of our first signature. I've got some lace along the side here. Of course, everything in here is from the kit. So got a pocket here with a tag, and I've got a belly band here. I've got some of the little cards that was in there in the kit, in the ephemera add-on kit, I should say. And I got a little flat brad with a heart on there, and then I've got a tag in that belly band there. We're all mad here, and I got a little tag of Alice up stuck in there. Got some more lace in here. I've got a tag with a little embellishment on it, and then this is one of the cards that was in the set, but the heart was on another tag, and I cut that out and stuck that on the top. Let's see, he's back in there. There we go. These are beautiful illustrations in here too, by the way. I've got a belly band here, Wonderland, and I've got the white rabbit and a card. And these can all be journaled on the back, or all plain on the back. Here we've got Tea Party, and I've got one of these journaling cards in here, and the Tea Party page from the book. Here's the middle of our signature. I've got a cat on my little strings there, and here we got the white rabbit again. And this is a pocket I made from one of the pages, and then these are old German playing cards. They were that I've had, so I put those on there. And then I've got a journaling card inside here. Got a pocket here with the teapot, and then I've got a tag here with the little teacups, little swivel tag on there. And then I just added this little bulb pin with the Ace of Spades. Got a teapot here pocket as well, and I've got a tag with 3 teacups on there and a hat. There's another one of the really pretty illustrations. Got these. This is a teapot with part of the ephemera cut out and just stuck on that page there. This is a half of one of the cards. I just cut it in half, inked around it, and stuck it on the page there. Here's the pocket. Got the Cheshire Cat there, and a pocket, and a big journaling card that's upside down, and a little bow on that pocket. These are, of course, from the kit. Got another flip envelope here, and this is a tag from in one of the kits that I've got inside there. Stuck this on here, and then I have another envelope and another half of a card, and then we've got a journaling card inside, and it just tucks behind that little card there. More pages, got a half of a 6 there, more illustrations right out of the book. Got the rabbit, it says follow the white rabbit, got a big journaling card there. Pocket. Got some more lace on the edge. Got this pocket here. I stuck one of the Queen of Hearts cards that was in the kit in there, and I've got these 2 tags, and again I got a little swivel tag on there. Got just a little tuck spot down here, drink me. We've got the cat up there, and I've got a keyhole and a key and some clocks. Just little pieces of ephemera that was in the kit, tucked in there. Got a belly band here with all the suits of cards on here. I've got the Ace of Spades with illustration, and this is just a piece of the paper that was in the kit. Just folded it up for more writing space. Got another pocket here. I added the club thing on there, and we've got Alice and another card with the clock, and then I've got another cat on that signature tie there. Got a pocket here. I added the mushrooms were in the kit. I added that to the front. Got a card with a heart on it, and I've added another little swivel piece of ephemera on there. Got a picture of Alice, and I've got, this was the tag, and then this was another smaller tag that was in the kit, so I just layered that up on top of there. Just got some twine in these. Most of them have twine. Got a belly band here, and I've got a card with Alice on it, and the other half of those 4 of hearts, and another folded up piece of paper for journaling. Here I got a little tuck on the right, and I've got that one. These were just plain tags like this, and then these were part of the ephemera as well, so I just cut them apart. And I've got the heart, the club I put back on the other pocket. I got the heart, the spade, and the diamond here, and another tag. And there's that other half of that 10 of hearts. Got a belly band here. Got a watch and a tag and a big sheet with Alice that can be journaled on inside. This belly band was plain. I added the clock on the front of it too. Got another tuck here. Got a little, this half of a 6 of hearts over here on this card. And we've got this tag and this tag. And here we've got a little belly band that says happiness. Just have the Ace of Spades in here with the little swivel tag on it. And then of course in the back I got my library card. I'm saying she was done on Saturday, but I'm saying today because I did do a little bit extra today, so I'm finishing it put it for today, so February 8th. And that is our Alice in Wonderland Steampunk journal. I do have my project planner here as well. I had a request from Gypsy Rose Jane to add a link of where I get these from, so that'll be down in the description box below. Again, I've just got my sketches on here and my information, so I've got everything in case I need to refer back to it. And again, I'll add that link at the bottom in the description box. So I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like. I always like to read any comments that you leave. Any suggestions are all helpful. So thanks everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.